Hi everyone, Luke from Bose Publishing here, and today in this video I want to show you Neogen's and Bing's latest product, the Sight Words Worksheet Generator. Now, if you're not familiar with sight words, they are commonly used words that appear in our everyday spoken and written language, and they're simple words such as the, to, where. They're ones that can't be, phonetically sounded out, and learning these helps kids become faster and more fluent readers. And these are taught purely by repeated exposure and memorization. So this is where Neogen's and Bing's software comes in. That software allows you to quickly create a wide range of different sight word worksheets or activity books with all different exercises which you can compile together into a complete book. Now if we go onto Amazon here and we type in sight word workbook or anything similar like that, you can add kindergarten after, for example, and then if we scroll down here you see that these books here, all these sight words workbooks, have lots of reviews and lots of really good sales ranks. So it proves that the demand is there. And obviously it's an evergreen sort of niche because there's always going to be kids wanting to learn their sight words. So with that being said, let's jump into the software and show you how it works. So if you're not familiar with the software, first thing we do is create a collection. I'm going to call this video. And then this will load our screen here with our canvas on the right, and we have some page layouts on the left. But before we get into the page layouts, I want to go down into the settings. And this is the first thing you should do is choose the size book that you want to create. So they helpfully have here a variety of preset trim sizes, and you can choose them here and click update, and that will obviously update your canvas for you. We can choose if we want some page numbering. Again, I typically don't, but it's personal preference. And for me, most importantly, we can adjust and also show our page margins. Now, I always like to have this feature on because this then allows me to know whatever I'm creating is within the KDP's margins. So you can get these margins off of KDP's website, and they vary depending on obviously your book size, etc. But I like to get these and have these displayed. That way I know the content and my book is all ready for upload. There's going to be no difficulty after where it tells me, oh, your content is not within the margins. So now we've got that set up, we'll go back to our page layout. And now depending on what package that you purchase, you'll get access to a variety of different templates, which you can then customize and use to compile a book. So we're in the front end here. Let's just start with the first one here. If I click it, it will then load it onto my page here. So by default, I have the word go. And again, if you're familiar with Neogen's and Bing software, this is sort of like a clickable canvas, a bit like Canva or any other similar software, and that you can click on things, you can change the font, you can resize and downsize, you can change the sight word, and all numbers of various different formatting options to make these worksheets your own. Now, for me, the absolute killer feature and what basically supercharges your content creation is the package with the bulk clone feature. So what you would do is, for example, we choose a sheet. For example, I've got this one on here now. You would go through, choose your styling, get the worksheet to look exactly how you want it to look. And then if you click bulk clone, and then if you download the sample file, this will give you a example template. So you see I've got loads there. I edit that in Notepad. This will give you a base template to use to add extra words all in one go. So you upload a CSV with different words, different sentences, and the software will bulk create with your settings. Now, obviously we don't want to create a file manually. Again, that takes time. What we can do is put that into AI. For example, you can use ChatGPT or numerous other software. And then simply what you would do is paste in the text like that. And then say, using this formatting and inserting a new line after each set, please give me 10 new unique sight words and sentences suitable for kindergarten. And then what you would end up with is something like this here, which then you could just copy and go to your file. If you paste it in like that, so this is into sightwords 8.csv, and then if we return and we choose that file up here, what that then does is that creates multiple pages with our custom words and our custom sentences. So again, you can repeat this with all of these different worksheets to make a complete book really, really quickly and easily, because every single one that you want, for example, you can just choose any one. Say you like the look of this one, it would add it to the end here, hit bulk clone, hit download sample file, and then basically paste the contents of that file into ChatGPT. Say, this is how I need to be formatted. Please give me 10, 20, 30 more sight words and sentences if relevant. And then you would then upload that file back in here, and then that would create the pages for you. So as you can see, it is so easy to create a book using this software. These books, and I've made some myself in the past, typically take quite a while to make, particularly if you want them looking good and formatted professionally. So this software for me is really, really great. It's a real game changer. I will cover all of the bonuses and stuff at the end, but basically once you then have your complete book, at the top here, click download as PDF, and then that's ready for upload onto KDP. I hope you found this quick video helpful. And in the next slides, I'm going to go through exactly what you get in each package and how much it costs. And of course, if you do choose to purchase and you do so through my affiliate link, what you do get is access to any individual non-bundled software. That's any singular software that's not part of a larger bundle. For example, you could go with the Mini Crossword Generator, which I haven't publicly released through myself yet. You might choose that or any other software. And finally, just before I say goodbye, is do check out and get access to the free AI chat and image generation. So whether or not you want the software, it's completely free and it's a great tool. You can use it to create the CSV files for the app, or you can use it for chat. You've got image generation in there as well. Do check it out. That is completely free. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you found it useful.